Here's how to find current Target promotions. First, launch open any web browser, then go to target.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now you have different options here. Find the one that says deals. This is where Target displays many of its current sales, discounts, and special offers. Target also recommends checking the deals section and browsing offers through the app. Now, if you find any offer that you like, go ahead and tap on the apply option over here and add them to your cart. Next, you want to find the option of Target Circle, select that. If you haven't applied to Target Circle yet, apply it over here. Now, you're going to find personalized Target Circle deals and Target Circle bonuses that are available for your account. Many Target Circle discounts are applied automatically when you're signed in and identify yourself as Target Circle member at the checkout. Finally, you also want to check your account regularly as Target frequently updates promotions, Target Circle deals, and bonus reward opportunities. Some offers are personalized and may only be available to specific members. And that's how you can find current Target promotions. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.